These are two of the latest devices from itel, the itel P55 and the itel P55T. These two devices are actually the cheapest of the P55 series. The P55 costs 99,100 naira, while the P55T costs 107,000 naira. So an 8,000 naira difference. In this video, we're going to go into a detailed comparison between these two devices to find out which one you should buy. My name is UD, I talk about tech. Let's shoot. The unboxing experience is pretty identical on both. We get the phone, 1GB MTN data card, SIM ejector tool, TPU case, 18 watts charging brick, Type-C cable, and wired earphones. So exactly the same contents in the box. Design is also the same on both devices. They both have that iPhone look with the camera bump and the flat sides. They both have a matte finish, so very minimal smudges. They also both have the fingerprint scanner on the side and they work very well. The speaker grill, Type-C port and audio jack are at the bottom. The dual SIM plus memory card slot is on the left side. Pretty much everything is the same design wise. The only real difference is the colors. So which color do you prefer? Both displays are identical, featuring a 6.6-inch 720p 90Hz LCD screen with a hole punch cutout for the selfie camera. The display quality is okay and I really appreciate the smoothness it provides due to the high refresh rate. While bezels are not extremely thin, the hole punch cutout adds a touch of elegance to the display. However, I noticed that the P55T has warmer color tones. Brightness is average. You'd struggle to use either of these displays outdoors under the sun. If you're enjoying the video so far, hit that like button and also subscribe to the channel so that you don't miss future review videos. Surprisingly, there is a notable difference in the software between these two devices. The itel P55 comes with Android 13 on itel OS version 13, while the P55T is equipped with Android 14 on itel OS version 13.6. However, things take an unexpected turn here. Despite running on Android 13, the itel P55 offers a plethora of features that are not available on the itel P55T running on the latest Android 14. In fact, the difference in features is quite significant. The itel P55 boasts functionalities like Smart Touch, allowing you to extract text from images on your phone. Additionally, it offers features such as Smart Panel, Social Turbo, Game Mode, and Dual Apps, all of which are absent on the itel P55T. The absence of the Ivana GPT AI assistant on the P55T is particularly significant. Personally, this holds immense importance to me as the Ivana AI assistant allows me to compose emails on the go, a task that I have been engaged in recently. Performance is quite similar on both. Both devices are powered by the Unisoc T606, which is actually a decent chipset for this price point. They both have 128GB of internal storage and 4GB of RAM. However, the itel P55 is expandable to 12GB via memory fusion, while the P55T is expandable to just 8GB of RAM via memory fusion. But it seems like the Android 14 on the itel P55T isn't fully optimized as Asphalt 9 wasn't compatible, but it is compatible on the itel P55. There was a software update for the P55T, but it didn't seem to change anything. Overall though, you get decent performance from both devices. You'll be able to game at medium settings on both devices with no lag. Here are the Geekbench and Antutu scores. This should give you an idea on the performance you can expect from these devices. Cameras are identical on both. We get a 50 megapixel main camera and an 8 megapixel front facing camera. Both rear and front facing cameras are capable of shooting in 1080p at 30 fps. So now I'm going to show you some samples I took with the itel P55 and the P55T. Let me know which one you prefer in the comments below. Hey guys, so this is a front-facing video test of the cameras on both of these phones, the itel P55 and the itel P55T, both shooting at 1080p 30 fps, which is the highest. So let me know what you think of the video quality and of course the audio quality. There's a lot of noise going around me, so let me know what you think of the quality across the board. We get a 5000 mAh battery on the itel P55 and a 6000 mAh battery on the itel P55T. Both are capable of 18 watts fast charging. So the itel P55 can last for a day, even a little bit over a day, while the P55T with its 6000 mAh battery can last well over a day. However, it will take longer to charge, about 2.5 hours, while the P55 will take only 2 hours to charge from 0 to 100%. So, which phone is better for you? The itel P55 or the P55T? Are you going to spend that extra 8,000 Naira on the itel P55T? Well, if you prioritize extended battery life and you feel that it's worth it to you, then yes. But the itel P55 is pretty much identical in every other way, and in the software department, where it seems that the itel P55 should be ahead, it lacks many software features that is present in the more affordable itel P55. If you found this comparison to be useful, then hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss our future review videos. Thank you for watching. I'm UD, this is udishoots, and you'd see me in my next video. See.